Friends, in this video we will deal about the CBSE syllabus of class 10th, in which we have seen that as we know that the CBSE has declared that there will be only one exam, that is annual. So let's see the syllabus. First, see general instruction. See the general instruction, that is there will be annual examination, means final examination, in which 80 mark is external and 20 mark internal, and that 20 mark was divided into 5 marks of periodic test and 5 marks of our short test or oral test, concept and project, and 5 marks of our practical, and 5 marks of our classwork, other simple paper depend. Let's see of class 10th. This is the syllabus, in which first chapter of chemistry is substance, nature and behavior, that contain 25 marks, and second is world living, that is 25 marks, natural phenomena 12, effect of current, that is 30 marks, natural resources, that are 5 marks, and that is total 80 marks, in which 100 marks of, in which 80 marks and 20 is internal marks, and grant is total. So let's see in descriptive. Let's see in description. First, in which we have read about chemical reaction. So in chemical reaction we have read about balance equation, implementation of a balance. Let's see in description. Chemical reaction, in which definition, balance chemical equation, implementation, type of chemical reaction, combination, decomposition, in which displacement, double displacement, precipitation, endothermic, exothermic reaction, and oxidation and reduction. And important question, that respiration is exothermic or endothermic reaction. And we have to read about acid, base and salt with definition, metal and non-metal and its property, and carbon compound, that like alcohol, carbonics and etc., that chemical property of carbon. And in second chapter, the world of living, that life processor, in which the basic concept, nutrition, respiration, transport. This is in biology, plant and animal, and co-control and coordination of plant and animal, that is nervous system, voluntary, involuntary and reflex action, chemical and coordinate animal hormones, that is read, and reproduction and hereditary and evolution. And in natural phenomena, reflection of light, this is in physics, reflection of light, refraction of law of reflection, refractive index, and in this how things work, effect of current, magnetic effect of current, that is in magnetic field, field line due to, and electric current, that is in upper side. And in last, natural phenomena that involve our ecosystem, environmental problems, ozone depletion, waste production, solution, biodegradable, non-biodegradable substances. Note for teacher, that teacher, and practical. This is the most important, that this from this the examination question at least 10% was also asked. Finding a pH of the following sample by using paper universal indicator. This is first. By this dull hydrochloric acid, by this method, and studying the properties of acid and base. This is second practical. Third is performing and observing following reaction and classify them: combination, composition, displacement, double displacement. By action of water on quicklime, action of heat on ferrous sulfate, iron, that is, the acid are harmful that we can observe by teacher that done observing the action, that is third practical. Zinc, ferrous, copper and aluminum metal on the following salt solution, that is zinc sulfate, ferrous sulfate, copper sulfate, aluminum sulfate. Arrange in metal in decreasing order. And in fourth, study the difference of potential difference across the resistors passing through a determined resistance. Also plot a graph between fifth and fourth. This is of physics. Determine fifth practical to register. Let's see, and you can see and read. And seventh practical was experiment show that carbon dioxide is given out during respiration. That is, I told you before that respiration is endothermic or exothermic. By this process we can conclude that. In eighth, that study of the following properties: outdoor solubility of in water, effect on litmus reaction with sodium hydrogen carbonate. And ninth, study of comparative cleaning capacity on simple and of soap in soft and hard water. Determine the focal length, convex and concave by obtaining. This is in physics. Tracking of, and 11th practical is tracking of path ray, that ray is pathing in a rectangular glass or in a straight line by this. And 12th is binary fusion in amoeba, budding in yeast and hydra with the help of, this is biopractical. Tracking path of ray light through glass prism, identification of the different part of embryo and duct, this is biology. And this is the theory. See that. So in internal assignment, that was periodic assignment, that was 5 5 10 marks, and its subject enrichment, that is practical work of 5 marks, and portfolio, that is of 5 marks. I left most of the practical and something for not making the video lengthy. So the information